dog park tonight. All the humans and all the dogs were feeling alright. Lots of dogs were there to run and play. Most of Haggis' friends made an appearance today. There was Tootsie and Tinker and Sissy and Coco, and there was Teddy, Two Balls and Piper and Cream Cheese and Mochi. We had Max and Daisy and Shamu and Bailey, and Peanut and Zena and Henry and Cleo and Rico. They chased their favorite tennis balls and raced from tree to tree, with wagging tails and happy barks as joyful as could be. Some wrestled in the grass while others splashed around, and Haggis greeted every dog who came onto the ground. Tootsie ran with Tinker while Sissy chased Coco. Teddy carried both his balls everywhere that he would go. Piper played with Cream Cheese and Mochi joined them too. There was always one more furry friend with something fun to do. The people talked and laughed while all the dogs ran free. It was the perfect summer night for Haggis and for me. As daylight slowly faded and the sun began to fall, Haggis stood up like a meerkat so he could watch them all. Haggis and his furry friends loved to play and run. Broad Ripple Dog Park is always so much fun. If tomorrow's weather is as nice as it was today, then we'll be back again and Haggis will be ready to play. Soon it was time to leave the park and bring the night to an end. Haggis said goodbye to every one of his furry friends. He climbed into the car, tired from his busy day, then dreamed about tomorrow and another chance to play.